Ever fancied a time machine to whisk you away to the origins of your beloved getaway spots? Today we're embarking on a thrilling journey through time, unraveling the vibrant tapestry of Jamaica's tourism evolution, from its aristocratic roots to its status as a global holiday haven. Stick around for some mind-blowing bonus facts that'll turn you into a Jamaica specialist, ready to wow at any social gathering. I'm your spirited host, a die-hard fan of Jamaica's mesmerizing tales and its monumental role in shaping the world of travel. Let's set sail into the heart of this island's enchanting saga, shall we? And who knows, you might find your next adventure hidden within its history. Picture this, the late 1800s, a time when travel was a luxury few could afford. Jamaica's pristine shores were the exclusive haunt of the globe-trotting elite, seeking solace and adventure in this tropical paradise. Montego Bay and Port Antonio were the creme de la creme of destinations, with opulent colonial hotels that were the epitome of luxury. Imagine sipping a morning tea overlooking the azure Caribbean Sea, a privilege of the few. A leap into the post-World War II era, and the skies opened up a whole new world. Jamaica became a beacon for the adventurous soul, no longer reserved for just the affluent. The birth of the all-inclusive resort here on this very island revolutionized how we vacation, marrying convenience with tropical luxury. The Jamaican government, spotting a golden opportunity, threw its support behind this burgeoning industry, laying the foundations for an inclusive paradise. And as reggae rhythms floated beyond its shores, Jamaica became not just a place but a vibe, a rhythm that beckoned travelers from all walks of life. Fast forward to the present, and Jamaica's allure has transcended its sandy beaches, though. Who could resist them? It's now a sanctuary for the eco-conscious traveler, a playground for adrenaline junkies, and a haven for those seeking spiritual rejuvenation. The island's embrace of cruise tourism has introduced a kaleidoscope of cultures to its shores, each leaving with a piece of Jamaica's soul. Yet, amidst this tapestry of tourism, the island faces the delicate dance of preserving its natural beauty while welcoming the world with open arms. As we journey from the past to the present, it's clear that Jamaica's tourism narrative is one of transformation and triumph. The exclusive, serene retreats of the 1800s have evolved into a vibrant, inclusive paradise that beckons every kind of traveler. While nostalgia for the past's tranquility lingers, the joy of sharing Jamaica's myriad treasures with the world is an undeniable triumph of the human spirit. As we celebrate this incredible journey, it's impossible not to applaud the pivotal role played by the Honorable Edmund Bartlett, Jamaica's long-standing Minister of Tourism. Under his visionary leadership, the island has seen unprecedented growth in both infrastructure and international recognition. Bartlett's innovative strategies and unwavering commitment to excellence have enhanced Jamaica's position on the global tourism map and significantly contributed to the local economy and community development. His passion for tourism and dedication to showcasing Jamaica's unique culture, breathtaking landscapes, and the warm, welcoming spirit of its people have truly set a gold standard in the industry. His stewardship has transformed Jamaica's tourism sector and is a testament to his remarkable vision and relentless drive. It's a transformation that has turned the island into a beacon of hospitality and a model for sustainable and inclusive tourism development worldwide. Ah, what an epic voyage through time we've shared. From the secluded havens of the elite to a bustling beacon for global travelers, Jamaica's journey through the annals of tourism is a testament to its enduring charm and spirit. A big thank you for joining us on this radiant adventure. Which chapter of Jamaica's tourism story has captured your imagination? Let's get a conversation going in the comments. But wait, there's more. Here are 3 bonus facts to feed your curiosity about Jamaica's tourism wonders. Did you know Jamaica is pioneering efforts in sustainable tourism, striving to protect its natural paradises for future generations? Or that the island has been a muse for countless artistes and writers, enchanted by its beauty and vibrancy? And for the foodies, Jamaica's culinary scene is a crucial part of its tourist allure, with flavors that are as diverse and welcoming as its people. From the whispers of history to the laughter of today, Jamaica's essence is a melody that resonates with the soul of every traveler. Thank you for this delightful journey. Until our next adventure, keep chasing the sunsets, keep seeking the stories, and above all, keep the Jamaican spirit alive in your hearts. One love, one world, one incredible island. If this journey sparked a flame of wanderlust in you, smash that like button, subscribe to Impacting Jamaica for more, and ring that bell to stay updated on all our adventures. Share your Jamaican experiences or dreams in the comments. Your story could be the spark for our next journey.